In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy gift cards on Amazon. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in amazon.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to buy the gift cards, click on the search bar that you can see right over here on your screen. Now what you have to do is search for Amazon gift cards. Press enter. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find variety of gift cards that you can buy. What you have to do is simply click on the Amazon gift card or any other gift card that you would like to buy. Now once you do that, you'll be able to buy that particular gift card. You can see over here, you'll be able to find more information over here. So in order to buy it, first of all, select the occasion. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now you'll also have to select the design. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is click on the design of your choice. Likewise, also select the gift card amount. You'll be able to find the options over here. You can click on any of it, or you can also simply enter the custom amount if you want. Simply click on this field. Now you can enter the custom amount from $5 to $2,000. So enter it over here. Now you'll also be able to find this option for delivery. You'll be able to find three options over here: shareable link, email, text message. You can simply click on the option of your choice. Now if you click on the option email, you can see over here, you can enter the email address over here. Click on the field of email address and enter it over here. You can add up to 999 email address separated by a comma or space. Now after you enter the email address, you can also enter the gift message over here. Click on this field and enter it. Now what you have to do is scroll down. Now you can also enter your name. Click on the field of name and enter the name over here. Now also select the delivery date. Right now option is selected. If you want to select another delivery date, simply click on this field. Now you can simply click on the delivery date of your choice. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply scroll to the up. Now select the quantity, click on the field of quantity and select the quantity over here. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for add to cart, buy now. If you want to add it to the cart and buy it, click on this option, add to cart. If you want to buy it right away, click on this option, buy now. Now you'll directly be led to the checkout interface. You can see over here you'll have to select the payment method over here. You'll be able to find various kinds of payment methods. Simply click on the payment method of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option, credit or debit card. If you also click on that option, you'll have to enter the card details over here. First of all, enter the card number. Now after you do that, also enter the name on card. Likewise, you'll also have to select the expiration date. First of all, select the month. Now what you have to do is simply select the year. Now enter your security code over here. Enter the CVV or CVC. Now after you enter the card details, click on this option, add your card that you can see on the screen. Now if these details are correct, this particular card will be added as the payment method. You'll be able to pay with this. Now what you have to do is click on this option, use this payment method that you can see on the screen. Now simply wait for the transaction to be completed. After the transaction is completed, your order will be placed and you'll receive the gift card according to the delivery method that you selected. So that is how you buy gift cards on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.